here we are. There's 9. There's 9. All right.
Big guy, watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy. And we be putting.
Back in the kitchen, we got a recipe for some crispy jack chicken. That looks pretty good. So it's basically, and it got the size of carrots and potatoes. So very simple. A coating for the chicken. Got the bag right here. I was going to open the bag real quick. I got the right bag. Crispy jack chicken. All right. Open the bag up. See what's in it. Got the chicken breast right here. 2 chicken breasts. I know we got, oh Lord, forgot about the carrots. These damn carrots. Remember last time the carrots went the right? Let's see. Oh my Lord, no. That's red panko. Yeah, panko crumbs. Cheese, all right. I'm gonna cut them this time anyway, just to see how they are. Got my potatoes. Seasoning. What seasoning is this? What is that? Oh, it's a type of spice. Ranch spice. There's some mayo. Another thing of mayo. And some more of these dead egg. Look at this. Freaking loser. No, guys. Loser. And I don't think I have any other carrots. I'm gonna see if I can make it work with what I have. So, all right, guys. So, obviously, my biggest complaint is these darn carrots. Look at them. Womp, womp, womp. Yeah, that's first we're going to prep the vegetables. So I'm gonna cut up the potatoes, and I'm gonna see if I can salvage these. Don't pay attention to that. Don't you look at that. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna see if I can salvage these carrots, at least 1 or 2 of them, just for the meal. All right, so let's go ahead and get set up and get these guys cut up. Let's get it. Get these guys cut up. Do the potatoes first. Cut them in, you can do 4s. If you get them too thick, of course, cut them in half. Go from there. All right, let's get this sped up. Got the potatoes. Now let's see if we can do something with these ugly carrots. I mean, they are ugly carrots. Jeez. They look like my darn toes, man. Let me see if I can chop them up a little bit, guys. All right, chop off that. Well, it might just be tripping. Maybe they supposed to look like this. I don't know. On the inside, they look good. I've never seen carrots like that before. On the inside, they look good. All right, so I'm not doing many of these at all. So this one looks good. It's only me. Yeah, this one is good. I don't need many carrots. So I'm gonna get rid of that. And roll with this. Yes, sir. Next up, we're gonna roll with this mix. This little mix. This is the what's gonna go on top of the chicken when it goes into the oven. So we're gonna start out with some butter. All right, get that butter melted. Alright. Next we're gonna do our panko and our Monterey Jack. Not panko. But it don't need long at all. It's almost ready. Yeah. Our panko mix. Our yellow panko mix we're gonna do. Go ahead and do all this. Just the panko breadcrumbs. Gonna do the Monterey Jack. And that was a tablespoon of butter. This is that ranch spice. We'll do half of that for now. So, half of that for now. Yep, that worked. We're gonna mix it. That's working, that's working. All right, get it nice and mixed so at least the butter can touch all that panko mix, because you're gonna pack it on top of the chicken here in a minute. So it'll be almost like a crust. So make sure you mix it good. This I remember from a different meal. So go from there. Got our potatoes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the bowl. Put them in the bowl. I'm gonna take some olive oil and just drizzle it on them. There we go. The other half of the ranch spice goes on these guys here. There we go. I'm gonna take it, mix it. That smells good, actually. That ranch spice. Lots of you. We'll get it back. Go ahead and get them out on your pan. Spread them out. We've done this before. That's the way HelloFresh likes to do his veggies. So they're all coated. See, they're all coated nice and coated. Okay. And next, we're gonna do the carrots. Let's do the carrots the same exact way, but not that much oil. Mix them around. Some of that flavor, that's some of that seasoning. So nice and coated. And bring these guys over here and put them on the other side. And just spread them out so it can cook evenly. Come on, spread it out. Okay. And then we got an oven on 450. We're gonna put these in here for 5 minutes to start. Okay. I'm gonna open chicken. I want us to pat it down, pat it dry, should I say. I use the same bowl so I can have some of that seasoning as well, because I didn't feel like using a new bowl. All right, so I use our mayo. So let's do a teaspoon on top of each one. And just spread it around. Spread it around on top of it. Okay. It's nice and covered. Okay, that to the side. Then we're gonna take our mixture and put it on top of here. Our mixture here that we made earlier. And put it on top. Kind of moving a little fast because I already got the vegetables in there. And they want us to do 5 minutes and then put this in there with that. All right, so this is gonna be the crust. So mayo on top. They also wanted us to do salt and pepper on the chicken, but I just didn't. So you can season your chicken with salt and pepper if you want to as well. All right, let's go ahead and get this in position. So it's all covered up. Full disclosure, I went ahead and added a little salt and pepper, just in case. Just in case. Just a little salt and pepper. So then now it's ready. Just in case. It wants us to, since it's been 5 minutes, take out your veggies. Sorry. Put these guys to the side. This side. Okay. Add our chicken. I can grab it. Just be careful. There you go. Chicken. There we go. Out the way. Make sure it's still packed down on top. There we go. And back it up in the oven for about 20-25 minutes. Meanwhile, let's go ahead and mix up this remaining mayo. I got mayo and a sriracha in the bowl here. It's gonna be our sauce. They like the sauce. I like the sauce. Add that sriracha. Okay. And we stir. These sauces be on point though. I gotta give it to them. I like them. So this is just sriracha and mayo. Yeah, nice color. Yes, sir. That works. That's how it's looking. So we almost there. It's about 10 minutes in. So almost there. I took my potatoes out. They're actually looking pretty good. And the carrots out as well too. So I'm letting the chicken cook just a little bit longer. And we should be right back. Got the sauce right here. So I'm excited about getting this thing built. Poultry. I'm checking the temperature. It says 169, 170. Oh yeah, they ready. Yeah, they ready. Before we get them out. Here we are. There's 9. There's 9. All right. Looks a little green, but that's that ranch spice seasoning. So I'm excited to see how it's going to taste. So let's go ahead and get it to the table. Guys, here we are. The crispy jack chicken with the carrots and potatoes. I took the potatoes out and the carrots out just a little bit earlier, probably because I know I cut them a little bit thinner than I wanted to, but it worked out. It actually worked out. They're not overcooked this time. So you got that ranch spice seasoning on it. Looks really good. Got the chicken here. Fork, cut it with a fork. See that crust on it? That crust on it. There we go. Yeah. That cheese, that mozzarella cheese is on it. Let's go ahead and taste this guy. Yes, sir. Let's taste it. The crust is good. Potatoes. This is actually pretty good. I didn't add much salt and pepper on it either. Potatoes and carrots. Watch that mayo dip right here. Put that right there. And try a piece with that. Decent. Try it with the potatoes. Yeah, I could do this sriracha mayo sauce. It's a good touch, actually. Try a piece of chicken. Let's piece of chicken with some sriracha mayo sauce. In the mouth. Not bad. It's a crispy jack chicken from HelloFresh. Better off with. Sorry, it's really good. Drink some crab apple juice. So this is really good. Nice crunch. Didn't take too long to make. And that sriracha mayo they showed up. So I liked it. So easy recipe. I know it's a quick video, so I pray you guys are doing well. Hope you like these HelloFresh videos. I got about maybe 6 more recipes. I cook through them, then we'll try another one, okay? But I pray you guys are doing well. Thank you for rocking with your boy. May God bless you, and I'll see you next video. Peace.